Example 4.5. Part A, examples. Convert 13 divided by 25 to a decimal. And B part, convert 7 by 11 to a decimal. Let's see the solution. We have a solution. First, we will do the part A solution. 13 divided by 25. Simplest, do the division. 25. It's like this. 13. When we give the point, and there should be some point on the above, some top, and we will give 0 here. So it's like a 130. Now we are dividing 25 divided by 130. So it's like this. 5 into 25, it's 125. Do the subtraction. 5 will come here, and the 25 will not divide the 5, so there should be some 0, and 0 will come down. Now there's a point, so it will not affect on 13, so it's become a 50. So 25, now we will use 2 here. So 2 into 25, it's 50, and subtract it, so you will get none. So basically, first of all, it was a 130, and now 0 will come down, and you have did the division. So 13 divided by 25 is 0.52. Let's do it some part B. So part B is convert 7 by 11 to a decimal. Part B, 7 by 11 to a decimal. So divide it, simple is that there should be a 7. We will give the point. There should be a dot. Dot should be above and dot should be below. So it represents the decimal above, and here should for the division we want it a dot. So it's 0. It now we'll count it as 70 like this. So we will divide the 70. So it's 66. There should be a 6. 6 into 11. We want the whole number here, which can be subtracted from a 70. So the number which will not go, which should not be greater than 70, but it should be less than 70, but it should be more near to a 70. So 11 into 6, it should be a 66. Now 4 will come, 70 minus 66, we will get 4. And now it's a 4, so we want 0 here. 0 comes down, it's 40. Now we will divide the 40. 11, 40 divided by 11. So there should be some 3. 3 into 11 is 33, and 7 will come down. Now you can notice here it's simple. It is recurring now. So we will divide the 70. So it should be a 66. 66. 4 will come down, and it will similarly it repeating it. So it's a recurring when there is a repetition. So 0.6 363, it's a dot dot, or you can like do it 0.63 dot should be on the top of 6 and 3. We have a part C of a same question. So part C, convert 0.6 to a fraction. But how we will convert it? There is a using 1/3. It's 0.3, and there should be a dot on the top of the 3, and 3 should be written like this. Now we have a solution. Let's solve it. 0.6 dot on the top. So 2 into 0.3 dot on the top of the 3. So because when you multiply 2 with the 0.3, you will get the same 0.6. So we can split it like this. So we want the fraction, they convert 0.6 to a fraction by using this part. So we can replace 0.3 with a dot by 1/3. 1/3. So it, in the last you will get 2/3. Simple. Now we have an exercise. So for the understanding, exercise 4.5. What's in the exercise? Question number 1. Convert each of these fractions to a decimal. Each of these fractions to a decimal. We want to convert a fraction to a decimal. Previously we were doing a decimal to a fraction. Now we'll do fraction to a decimal. Part A, 3/8. It's like this. 3. There should be a point and a 0. So sorry, it should be a point like this, and there should be a 0. Now we will divide 30 divided by 8. It's like a 3.0, but you should think like a 30. Oh, think like a 30. So we'll use it like 3 should be here. So it's 24, and 30 minus 24, there will be a 6, and it will not divide the 6. So we will give 0 here. It will not affect the 3.00. So 0 will come bottom towards 6. 0 will come to the down. So now we will divide 60 divided by 8. What the number which is now the number which will we will get, it's 7 into 8 is 56. We will get 60 minus 50. We are subtracting. So here is 4. Now we will divide 8 divided by 4, but it's not possible. So give the 0, and 0 will come down, and we'll divide with 40. With 4. 4 into 8, it's 32. Now here will come 8. Now you will divide it easily with the 1 into 8, it's 8. and you will subtract it, and it's done. Now you got the number 3 by 8. It's 0.3741. It's a terminating number, it's a rational number, and it is represented into a fractional form. Now we have a part C of a question 1, exercise 4.5. Same exercise, similar question. For the sake of understanding, I am doing it. 11 divided by 40. Solve it. 40. Similar. Give a point, and it should be a point. Dot there, dot there. So decimal there, decimal there. So it should be at least 0. So 110. We're dividing 110. So it's 2 into 40. It's 80. Which is nearest? 80 is the nearest to 110, because when we multiply 40 into 3, it's become 120. So it's not a nearest. So it will come 60. So now we will divide 60. So how we'll divide it? So just give a 1 here, and 1 into 40, it's a 40, because when we give it 2 into 40, it's 80, but so it is greater than 60, so we will not write it this. So it last 60 minus 40, we will get 20. We'll give it a point, and now it should be a 0. There is 0, 0 will come down. So 40 by, I think there is some mistake. Let me correct it. Let me correct it. Yeah, I got the mistake. So 110 minus 80, we will get 30. So we will is 0, 0 will come down, and 300. Now we will the 40 divided by 300. It will be divided by 7 into 40. It's 280. So we will get 20. Now 0 here, and 0 will come down towards 200. It will become a 220. Now for 40 divided by 200, we will divide it like this. 5 into 40, it's 200. There is a mistake, you can comment me first. So 11 divided by 40, it's 0 0.00 dot 0.275. It's this. So I think that's it. That's for now we have a question number 2. It's same exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5. There's a question number 2. What's the question? Convert each of the fraction, each of these fractions to a recurring decimal. Write your answer using a dot notation. Write your answers using dot notation. Let's convert each of these fractions. We have given the fractions to a recurring decimal. Write your answers using a dot notation. So what are the fractions? In a part A, it's given, we have given 2 by 3, and next time doing part D for question number 2, it's 4 by 5. So these basically are recurring 4 by 15, are recurring decimal numbers. So, but we should have to write it like in a dot, with a dot, using the dot notation. Let's do it. How we'll solve it? Solution: simply divide it 3. We will give a dot here, dot should be there, 0 should be there. It's 2.0, or now it will, it's like a 20. So 3, it's 5. 3 into 5, it's 50. Oh, let me do it correctly. There should be a 6. 6 into 3, it's 18. We will get 2 here. Now 3 divided by 2, it will not happen. So we want to get a number. So 0 will come down. Now we will divide 20. Similarly, it will get 6 and 18 and 2. Now it's a recurring. It will recur. So it's part A. It's 2 by 3. 2 by 3, it's 0 0.666 dot dot. But we can write it like 0 0.6 above dot, dot on the top. Next we have part B. 4 by 15. 15. Now we have 4. It's give the dot and 0. Dot should be above. It will become decimal. So 15 divided by 40, it will not complete division, but 30. 2 into a 15, it's 30. Now we'll get subtracted. It's basically, we are also subtracting here. So we will, it's 10. 10 will be not divided. So give a 0 here. 0 will come down. And in the last, we will get 6. 6 into 15, it's just a 90. We'll get 10 here. Similarly, now let's give a 0 here, and 0 will come down, and it's 100, and the similarly is 90. 6 into 15, it's 90, and we'll get 10, and 8. These are recurring. So 4 by 15, it's recurring. 4 by 15 is a recurring decimal. So 0.26 give the decimal on the top. So that's it. Now we have some other questions. It's question number 3, same exercise. 0 point. It's exercise 4.5. Question number 3. Given, what's it given? Given that 0.1, give a dot on top, it become 1 by 9. Write each of these as fraction. What's given? We have given 0.2 and dot is above, and there's a part C, it's 0.5, the dot is above. So solution of part A, first 0.2 and the dot is above, so we can write it like this: 2 into 0.5, and a dot should be on just a 1, so it's 2 into 1 by 9, it's 2 by 9. So you can divide it 2 by 9 and you will get 0.2 with the dot. It's a recurring number. So next part C, 0.5 dot is on above. So 5 into 0.1 dot is on above. So 5 into 1 by 9. So it's 5 by 9. Simple. It's 5 by 9. You can divide it. So you will get a recurring decimal 0.5555. It's a rational number. Now we have question number 4. It's also same. Question number 4. Given what? Given that it's given 1 by 27. It's like this. 0.0 dot is on the above of 0 and 3, and there is a dot is on above the 7, and what's given? 1 by 27. Oh, 1 by 11. 1 by 11. It's 0.09 and dot on the above 9. What's it? There's a find the decimal equivalent of each of these. Find the decimal equivalent of each of these. Find the equivalent decimal. We want the equivalent decimal, so it should be equivalent of these. First of all, it's a given that, so it means we will use from that above 1 by 27 or 1 by 11. And now we have a given part A question. It's 2 by 27. A divisor is a 27 and dividend is a 2. So you can write it like this: 2 into 1 by 27 and 2 into 0.0, and now we are replacing 1 by 27 with 0.0 dot 37 above on the top dot. So 37 top should be a dot. So what we will give here, it's like this. You should multiply 2 with the 7, it will become a 4. There should be some dot here. 2 into 7 is a 14, so 1 will go above on the 3, and 2 into 3 it's a 6. 6 plus 1 it's 7. So now 2 into 0 it's 0. Simple as that. And there should be a dot there and 0.0. Or you can divide 2 by 27 by division rule. You will get same answer, 0.0744, and it's there's a repetition, so you will write it like this: 074, and there's a repetition, and but we want to use the dot notation, 0.074. Dot should be on the top. Next we have exercise 4.5 and question number 4. It's a similar question. Exercise 4.5, question 4, part D, 2 by 11. It's 2 into 1 by 11. So now we are using 1 by 11 here. It's a 0.09. It's 2 into 0.09. There should be a dot here. 2 into 9, it's 18. So first of all, there should be 8 here. And then we have 18, 1 will go above on the 0. So it's like this 1, and it's like this. You can simplify it and solve it like this. 2, 11 divided by 2. There should be a point there. There should be a 0 there. And 1 should, 11 into 1, it's 11. Now we have a 9, and there should be a 0. 0 will come down, and this 0, and it's 18. So 8 into 11 is 88. So 90 minus 88 is 2. Now there is a 0, and 0 will come down. There is 0 here. So similarly, it's 1. So there should be a dot on above of the 1. Simple. It's a beautiful question. Now it's a coming. It's a question number 4. For the understanding, it's a beautiful question. Convert each of these recurring decimals to a fraction, to a fractions in their simplest form. First, we have given convert each of these recurring decimals. We have given recurring decimals to convert into a fraction, then in the simplest form. That's a beautiful question, is how to convert recurring decimals into a fraction form. That's why this is a beautiful 0.04. Now let this is given, should like this is a part A. Let n is equals to 0.4, and the dot should be there. And now it's n means key, there is, this is number n, either decimal number 0.4 or it's a fraction number. You can like say it like this, because 0.4 dot, it can be equal to a by 4 because it's a recurring, and can be converted into a fraction form. So n is a recurring decimal, or it can be it can be a recurring number, and it can be in a fraction form, because they are equal. So let's do it. Multiply both sides with 10. So 10 into 9, 10 into n, it's 10n, and 0.4 with a dot, multiply with the 10. So 10 n is equals to 4.4, and there should be some dot. 10 into this, and it will become a 4.4 dot with the above dot. So now we'll subtract basically we are subtracting 10n with minus n, both sides. Now, how we will subtract n from 4.4 dot, because it's n is equals to 0.4 dot, so it can be converted into minus 0.4 with the dot. It will become just a 4, because it will be cancelled. So 9n, n is equals to 4 by 9, because when we will divide uh, 9 on both sides here in that equivalent, so we'll get 4 by 9. It's in a fraction form, but how you will say it's a simplest form? Here you can analyze it. Just a common factor is 1, so we can easily say it's in a simplest form. So that's why it was a good question.